Paul?
No, Josh.
Today we are at... Where are we at then, Josh?
BuildABear.
We're at BuildABear. We're at BuildABear in New York Designer Outlet. And they've kindly let us film in store. So we're going to go look around the bears, see what there is, and then pick the bear, aren't we? Yeah? Yeah, so let's take a look. So join us. What are you fancying? Oh, and who's that?
Chewbacca.
Chewbacca. How much is Chewbacca? I think it's on there, look. It was 27 and now 19, yeah? So this is what he looks like stuffed, yeah? And then you can get a voice going as well. So you're going to get a voice?
Yeah, Chewie.
Yeah, let's have a look. Split. Have a look. Is it working? Have a look. Have a look. Hear that, guys? Whoa. Yeah?
Yeah.
So, pick your Chewie. Yeah? Yeah? And then I think we'll take it over to the lady and get it filled in. Yeah? So come on then, let's... So we're going to go over to the stuffing machine and then... This is the...
What's your name? Have you been to BuildABear before, Joshua?
Yeah.
You're going to help me stuff it today?
Yeah.
Yeah?
So the machine's pretty cool, isn't it? Yeah? Yeah?
Pop that in this one for you.
So when you come to BuildABear, yeah, you go to the lady, yeah?
Yeah.
And then it comes to this filling machine.
And then you come here for you. And then
Would you like to put your foot on there for me, Joshua? And do you have any other BuildABears at home? Yeah? Which ones do you have at home?
Oh, yeah, you have a few. You do have a few.
Yeah?
Did you say they got the Ghostbuster one? Yeah.
Which one's your favourite?
my daughter.
Ghostbuster. Give your Ghostbuster a name?
Not yet.
Not yet? You got a name for this one? You want to call it Chewie? Yeah. Are you a big Star Wars fan? Yeah. Chewie your favourite character or do you like the other one? Who's your favourite? Oh. Do you watch all the Star Wars films? Not yet. Lovely. Are we getting anything to do with Chewie today or just ears? No? Lovely.
So if you're lucky, guys, the stuffing is in the machine. It gets turned here. And then Josh is pressing the pedal there, and then it goes to the tube, and the tube fills up the bear.
Would you like to give Chewie a big cuddle? Big cuddle? Is it cuddly enough for you? Yeah? Okay, can I worry about this one? And would you like to get a little heart from the box for me?
Which one are you going for? Are you going for stripy or red? Stripe.
And we're just going to put your hands in this one. And then we're going to shake it there. Do that one. Shake it. And then jump up and down. And block with energy. And then totally open. And close your eyes. Make a big wish. Give it a kiss. And would you like to put it inside you? Thank you. My favourite for you.
Just give it a little heartbeat as well. It's really soft though, isn't it? Okay, that's fine. Oh, it's gonna have to have a little operation.
Little operation, yeah.
So it's just that one's going for a little operation. Have a quick look around the shop. So we've got the bears are on offer. We've got bears for $7.50 or $11, and then you can just buy the bear. You get it stuffed, put a heartbeat etc. in it, and then you can get some like Star Wars clothing for it as well. I'll take you over to the Star Wars clothing, and you've got You've got who's that there? Boba Fett.
Darth Vader.
Darth Vader. Yeah. Now these are also discounted, so these were £15 and now £10.50. So you buy the bear for £7.50 and then you buy the suit to go on. But we went for Chewie because Chewie's already dressed. Chewie just goes au naturel, doesn't he? So once you put all the information in on the computer, it comes up with a Build-A-Bear Workshop birth certificate with an individual ID number, yeah? And it tells who Chewbacca belongs to, yeah? Gives his fur colour, its weight, its centimetres and his full name, Tim. And then you just press the print button. Yeah. And then click next. And then please pick up your birth certificate. Done. And that's it. So we'll go pick up that from the front desk. So guys, that's our experience in the Build-A-Bear Workshop today at York Designer Outlet. Staff was super nice, weren't they? Yeah, they really helped us out. Hi guys, that's us just got back from our Build-A-Bear experience. So Josh thought we'll take a closer look, won't we, Josh, of the Build-A-Bear? So talk the guys through.
Like but he did go for an operation, and that's him.
Yeah.
For the operation.
Yeah. So what happened when they were putting the stuffing in? The thread come away, so you have to go away for a little operation. But he's okay now. So what details have we got on the bear then, Josh?
He's got official Star Wars.
Yeah, he's official Star Wars merchandise. So you've got the trademark Star Wars there.
And he's got a Star Wars foot, not like the other people
yeah,
would
so you've
have.
got Star Wars imprinted on his little foot there, hasn't he?
And this is the noise he makes again.
Awesome. Yeah?
Yeah.
Really cool. So it's really it's like it's a lovely fur, isn't it? It's really soft and quilted. You can see all the kids getting snuggled up with this bear.
Yeah.
And it's got the like traditional Build-A-Bear face on it.
And a backpack.
Yeah. And a little pack here as well.
Hello.
On there. And then you get the certificate as well, which that comes with every Build-A-Bear purchase. So it's like the birth certificate of the bear. So do you want to turn that around and show it to the guys?
Because
So if you turn it right round.
Birth is April 14th, 2018, and his full name is Tim.
Tim, and why did you call him Tim, Josh?
Tim Peake.
Tim Peake, yes. So he called him Tim because he likes Tim Peake because he's an astronaut, and Chewie spends his time in space as well. So I thought that was really good, that, Josh. And then on there it gives you his height and his weight of what he is.
His height is 45 centimetres. His weight is 111 grams. I'll go out with this correctly. Eye colour, blue.
Yep.
Fur colour, dark brown. Belongs to Joshua.
That's right, just in case he got lost, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
So just another big thank you to the guys at Build-A-Bear at York at the designer outlets. They're really nice and helped us out, didn't they? And made it a really fun experience. So take a look next time you're at a Build-A-Bear workshop. Again, they have some exceptional ones, really good value, don't they? They had some like there on the video. You can see there's some bears at like £7.50.
Yeah.
And options were endless, weren't they? What you could get.
Yeah, because you could get like Boba Fett, Darth Vader, Captain Phasma, one of them red dudes of Star Wars, but I don't know what his name is, and Kylo Ren.
Kylo Ren, yeah, and there was loads of other things in there that we didn't cover. So, like I said, just pop into the next Build-A-Bear. I don't know if they are they global Build-A-Bear?
What do you mean?
Like are they all around the world? Do they have ones in America or Japan?
Oh,
you know what I mean? I don't know. Comment below, guys, if the Build-A-Bear are global. I don't know myself, but if you're in the UK, visit one. Really good fun. And did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
So see you later, guys.
See you later.
Bye.